no more.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is a type.
Hello everyone, welcome to this class setup please. So what is density? What is density? What is this? Why density can make people float but somebody can still sing like this? You know why? Because density, let's come.
2,000 years later.
Okay, welcome back. So what is density? Density is mass divided by volume. Mass is G, volume is cm. You can see here, there you go. So the unit for density is GCM, really easy, right? It's X. Okay, so take this as an example. Mass is X, volume is Y, density is 10. So if they add up all together, this is the equation, it will be the density. Confirm one. So this example, X equals to 10G, Y equals to 2cm cubed. Density equals to 10G divided by 2cm cubed. You simplify this, so this erase already. And you will become 5G and cm cubed. And why is density so important? Density can actually make your flow or sinking. So this will always be water. For some reason, water will always be 1 gm cubed. And this is confirmed 1 gm cubed. For some reason, this just makes sense. So this 0.8 gcm cubed. This will make things float. When it floats, it would be like oil or like ice cubes or something. Oil. Okay, there you go. Now the sinking thing. What sinking thing? Like sand, like mercury. So it's like 1.5 gcm cubed. This will always sink because this is higher than this one. So the equation is that if this thing is small, so the top one is x, this is y, this is z. So if top one is x, x will always float, y will be in the middle, and z will sink. Okay, thank you everyone. Goodbye.